Here's a 2002 Chevrolet Impala. A refined and roomy interior is wrapped in an athletic exterior, giving you a car that exudes an unflappable demeanor. Welcome to approachable luxury. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Performance sound system, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rearview mirror, power windows, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, express open sliding and tilting sunroof, sport suspension, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive finds handling surprisingly quick and sharp. This is not the wallowing live axle barge from the 1960s, yet the ride is well damped and does a good job of filtering noise, vibration, and harshness. Chevy, 100 years of icons. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.